Hello kids, how are you? I hope today's are all fine. Today's I will teach you EVS subject. So you take out textbook EVS page number 164. Chapter number 4. Birds around us. There are many birds in our surrounding. आपल्या surrounding मध्ये खूप सारे bird आपण बघत असतो. We see here some bird. Okay. Yes, what is this? This is eagle. The eagle spelling of E-A-G-L-E, and eagle's color is brown. Next one is, yes, this is parrot. Parrot spelling is P-A-R-R-O-T, and parrot's color is green, and beak's color is red. The next one is, this is pigeon. The pigeon spelling is P-I-G-E-O-N, and pigeon color is grey. Next one is, yes, you all know this is sparrow. The sparrow spelling is S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow's color is light brown. Next is peacock. This is peacock, and peacock is national bird, and peacock is dancing in rainy season. Peacock spelling is P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Next one is, yes, this is crow, C-R-O-W, crow, and crow's color is black and grey. And in this way, others bird name is woodpecker, cuckoo, maina, and these all birds have wings and they can fly in the sky. Okay. In this way, all birds, their size is different, and their voice is different, and their color is also different. Okay. In this way, bird वेगवेगळ्या आकाराचे असतात. त्यांचा आकार त्यांचा शेप हा वेगवेगळा असतो. त्यांचे साऊंड पण सुद्धा वेगवेगळा असतो, अँड कलर सुद्धा वेगवेगळा असतो. देन नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 165. ऍक्टिव्हिटी. जॉइन द डॉट्स अँड कलर इट. से व्हिच बर्ड दिस इज. This is the shape of bird. You join this dot and complete the picture of birds, and you fill in color properly. This is the picture of bird is pigeon. So we fill in gray color in this pigeon. Okay. This is your homework. आपल्याला हे डॉट जे दिलेले आहे ते आपल्याला जॉईन करायचे आहे आणि पिक्चर कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. आणि कशाचं पिक्चर हे कंप्लीट होईल मग, तर दिस इज पिजन आहे, आणि पिजनचा कलर कुठला आहे, ग्रे कलर. सो वी फिल इन ग्रे कलर. ओके. दिस इज युअर HW. ओके देन, बाय किड्स.